Get ready, start. Mr. Chairman, the resolution under discussion raises a very important matter which merits careful consideration on the part of honorable members of this house and of the government. Questions will be asked and have been asked as to where is the necessity of nationalizing commercial banks. What is wrong with our banks today? Banks accept deposits from the poor as well as the rich. They support and enrich the economic activities of the nation, and what is wrong with them? Some time ago, there was a series of bank failures in West Bengal, culminating in the failure of the Lakshmi Bank and the Birla Bank. Maybe when such things occur, doubts arise in our minds as to whether the ordinary man who deposits in the bank is really safe, whether we have sufficient guarantees for the safe working of the banking system. But then the answer is that we have tightened the provisions of the Banking Companies Act and given more and more control to the Reserve Bank, and therefore the Reserve Bank is in a position today not only to insist upon all sorts of safeguards for the flotation of banks, but also for the conducting of banks. It has the powers of supervision, control, and direction, and therefore, as the honorable members were saying, banking today is far safer than it ever was. So, where is the need for nationalization? Sir, in order to answer this question, one has to probe a little deeper and examine the function of banking. It is not a question of public sector or private sector. It is not a question of relating banking to private industry. We have to look at this question from the point of view of the goal we have adopted. Our goal is the creation of a socialist society. This we adopted some 7 or 8 years ago, and I am amazed to see that not a single step has been taken which is calculated to lead us to that goal. One important factor which helps to take us towards that goal is the removal of inequalities of wealth. This is a goal to which possibly no honorable member can have any exception. If we have to remove inequalities of wealth, then we have to remove the opportunities which create concentration of wealth. Now, I wish to show that these commercial banks to help in the concentration of wealth.